Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the most exciting and rapidly growing fields in technology: cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others have been making waves in the news lately, but what exactly is cryptocurrency, and how does it work? That's what we're going to be exploring today, so let's get started. First of all, what is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that uses encryption techniques to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds. Unlike traditional currencies that are controlled by governments or banks, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized system called the blockchain. This means that transactions are processed by a network of computers around the world, rather than by a central authority. So, how does the blockchain work? Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger that records every transaction that takes place on the network. Each transaction is grouped together with other transactions in a block, and each block is cryptographically linked to the previous block in the chain. This creates an unbreakable chain of blocks that serves as a permanent record of every transaction that has ever taken place on the network. In order to add a new block to the chain, a network of computers around the world must work together to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. This process is called mining, and it involves using powerful computers to compete for the chance to add the next block to the chain. The first computer to solve the puzzle is rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency, and the block is added to the chain. Once a transaction has been recorded on the blockchain, it is virtually impossible to alter or delete it. This makes the blockchain a highly secure and trustworthy system for recording transactions. So, why are people so excited about cryptocurrency? Well, there are a few reasons. First of all, cryptocurrencies are highly secure and decentralized, which means that they are not subject to the same kind of government or bank interference as traditional currencies. This makes them an attractive option for people who are concerned about privacy and government overreach. Secondly, cryptocurrencies can be used to make fast and low-cost international transfers, without the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors. This makes them a useful tool for people who need to send money across borders on a regular basis. Another key feature of cryptocurrency is that there is a limited supply of each type of cryptocurrency. For example, Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins. This limited supply makes cryptocurrency a valuable asset, as the value of each coin can increase over time as demand for the currency grows. There are currently thousands of different cryptocurrencies in circulation, with Bitcoin being the most well-known and widely used. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Cryptocurrency transactions can be made through wallets, which are digital software programs that allow users to send, receive, and store cryptocurrency. These wallets can be hosted online, on a desktop computer, or even on a physical hardware device, like a USB drive. The value of cryptocurrency can be highly volatile, meaning that its value can fluctuate rapidly over short periods of time. This is because cryptocurrency is not backed by any physical asset or government, and its value is based solely on supply and demand in the market. Cryptocurrency can be used for a variety of purposes, including online purchases, peer-to-peer transactions, and investments. Some businesses and organizations also accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. While cryptocurrency is generally considered secure, there have been instances of hacking and fraud in the cryptocurrency world. It's important for users to be careful with their cryptocurrency investments and to use reputable wallets and exchanges. One important aspect of cryptocurrency is the concept of a smart contract. A smart contract is a self-executing program that automatically enforces the terms of a contract between two parties. Smart contracts are often used in decentralized applications, DApps, that run on a blockchain. For example, a smart contract can be used to automatically distribute funds to investors in an ICO, initial coin offering, or to verify the authenticity of a digital asset. Another key feature of some cryptocurrencies is the ability to create tokens. A token is a type of cryptocurrency that represents a digital asset, such as a share in a company, a voting right, or access to a particular service. Tokens can be created on a variety of blockchain platforms, including Ethereum, and can be used for a wide range of purposes. One challenge facing the adoption of cryptocurrency is the issue of scalability. Some blockchain networks, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, can only process a limited number of transactions per second. This has led to issues with slow transaction times and high fees during periods of high demand. Several solutions have been proposed to address this issue, including the development of off-chain solutions like the Lightning Network and the use of sharding to divide the blockchain into smaller, more manageable pieces. Finally, cryptocurrencies are seen by many as a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. The value of many cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed in recent years, making early adopters very wealthy. So there you have it, a brief overview of how cryptocurrency works. While there is still much to be learned about this exciting field, it's clear that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Whether you're interested in using them for fast and secure payments, investing in them as a speculative asset, or simply learning more about this fascinating technology, there has never been a better time to get involved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.